Hello and welcome to another quarterly update from the Barwon Healthcare Property team. I'm joined today by Sophie Bannerman, who's a portfolio manager for the Barwon Healthcare Property Fund. In 2023, we've seen a softening in market capitalisation rates for commercial property as values adjust for higher interest rates and a more subdued, perhaps cautious investment market. Healthcare property generally has a lower correlation with other property sectors and generally less volatile compared to other core traditional commercial property sectors. Notwithstanding, there's been a softening or a moderation perhaps in cap rates for healthcare property, which prompted us at Barwon here to undertake an out-of-cycle revaluation program for the fund, mainly to ensure that the valuations of the assets in the fund are marked to market appropriately. Sophie, can you tell us about that portfolio revaluation?
Sure, Tom. The portfolio revaluation concluded in May and saw every property in the fund revalued. In general, we saw capitalisation rates soften in the range of 25 to 75 basis points. And overall, we saw a softening of circa 57 basis points in the fund's weighted average capitalisation rate, taking it to 5.72%. Going forward, we'll reinstate our rolling monthly valuation timetable and continue to monitor the markets really closely.
Given the market movements there, Sophie, are you seeing better value when it comes to acquisitions and perhaps assets that are being put to market?
Yeah, definitely. So in more recent times, we've seen the spread between buyer and vendor expectations narrow. And this has allowed us to pursue more strategic acquisitions, especially from capital-constrained counterparts. So a great example of this is an asset we have recently secured. It's a newly developed community and allied health property leased for 10 years to a large not-for-profit operator. We have managed to secure this off-market at a cap rate of circa 6%. And this compares really favourably to similar assets which traded at a circa 5% cap rate in 2021. We expect to continue to see improving value and opportunities in the market going forward, and in light of this, we've opened up the fund for further investment.
Thanks for joining us today, Sophie. Really appreciate those insights. If you'd like to learn more about the Barwon Healthcare Property Fund, perhaps you're considering an investment in the vehicle, please don't hesitate at all to contact myself, Sophie, or our business development team here at Barwon. Thanks for joining us again.